Hi planner people, it is so good to be back. Yes, it has been way too long since I have been on my channel, but this week I am going to be working from April 2nd to 8th, and I am going to be digging out an old kit and some older stickers as well. This company is called Dahlia's Dainty Designs, and unfortunately this company is no longer functioning, but I still love these stickers and I'm trying to use up what I have. So if you aren't into using current kits, or you don't like watching videos that don't use, or that use, what am I trying to say? If you don't like watching videos that use older kits, this might not be the plan with me video for you. But if you don't mind kind of the chitty chatty sit down type, then by all means please watch. This is a very old glam planner sheet back when she did a la carte for everything, and I am planning to use that up too today. Lastly, I've pulled out two of my Mambi sticker books. This one is the tiny, and then I have a second color story booklet as well. And I don't know if I will use these yet, but I've pulled them out just in case. I do want to start incorporating a lot more washi tapes into my Plan With Me videos. These are three that I pulled out that I think will look good with this kit. The first is Oh Happy Days. This one says Good Memories in a variety of fonts. I've also pulled out this beautiful lilac color, and fun fact, violet is actually the Pantonium color for 2018. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The bottom washi is sized and made for an Erin Condren planner, so I'm actually going to be taking a rotary trimmer and thinning it up a little bit. This is mine. It's nothing special. It's just a cheap one from Recollections, but it does the job fine. I'm going to slide the paper through and align it so I get roughly about 2 centimeters. I am in Canada, so I do use centimeters instead of inches for crafting. However, for my height and weight, I do use pounds and feet. I don't know how that happened, but our system here in Canada is heavily influenced by the States still, which I don't mind. And of course, on all of our official documents, it is in meters and centimeters and things like that. I would love to know where you guys are from, whether it's the States, Canada, or anywhere around the world. That would be really fun to figure out and find out. So if you want to leave a comment down below, that would be really cool. I'm going ahead and placing my newly sized washi strips at the bottom, and I'm trying to be relatively careful and line them up at the bottom. Although I have to admit, since having my daughter, everything is a time bomb waiting to go off, so I feel like I have to do this relatively quickly because I never know when she's going to wake up. She is still very brand new, only 5 weeks old at the time I'm filming this. Probably by the time I upload it though, she'll be 6 weeks, because it just takes me a long time to do things. I am taking my Erin Condren ruler and just pulling up the edges of this washi tape. Like I said again, this is going to be a very chitty chatty planner video because I don't get out much right now, and so I feel like I need to talk to somebody. Moving on though, I am going to start placing down my ombre heart check boxes, starting with this yellow color, and then I'm going to fan out and do the blues, pinks, and purples kind of going outwards. On these ombre heart checklists, I'm actually going to be writing my daily cleaning schedule. My hope is to do a little bit every day, and then by the end of the week I will have briefly touched every area of my house. For example, on Mondays I plan to clean the bedrooms. Tuesdays I plan to do the living room. Wednesdays is the office, hall, stairs, and laundry. Thursday we have the kitchen, and Friday the bathrooms. On Saturday and Sunday I hope to just take a break. I have one ombre heart checkbox left, so I think I want to use it on the side here. But I'll worry about that later and move on to washi tape. I'm going to line the top with this thin washi, and I'm having a really hard time getting it straight, so I'm not going to fuss terribly about it. Again, I probably would have been more worried about how perfect it was before I had a little daughter, but times have changed. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and then be right back. The kit came with 1 2-clean header, so I'm going to take advantage of that, and I'm just going to put it on top of the washi strip so that it indicates it's not just for one day but all days. I'm also going to use a gold foiled arrow, and this came from a really old Mambi sticker kit, and I'm not really loving it right there, so I'm going to go ahead and peel it up and move it beside the 2-clean sticker instead of underneath. I think that looks much better, but I don't know. What do you guys think? This cleaning bottle is from the Glam sticker sheet I showed you at the beginning. Let's zoom in and flip the page over so that you guys can get a little bit better look at what's going on here. Okay, so I have my cleaning bottle and my to clean label. I'm going to actually work on my sidebar now. I'm going to start at the top and add a quote sticker. There aren't any quote stickers in this kit, so I'm taking a sticker from my Mambi sticker book, One Amazing Happy Life, and adding it to from the kit. My camera unfortunately cut out, so here I have already added my hydrate sticker, and I have also added, or I'm adding, a habit tracker. I'm still taking my prenatals postpartum, so I'm going to write that down, as well as vitamin D drops for Olivia, tummy time, and then I have one more space there to write down another habit or thing that I need to keep track of. I'll be recording my steps for each day down here. I'm going to go ahead and add some washi from the kit to finish off my sidebar. I'm adding to-do headers to each day of my week. However, to be honest, I do very little in one day right now. Olivia takes her really long to feed. I am breastfeeding her, but we usually take about an hour to feed, and then we have our little activities before or after, and then she goes for a nap, and most of the time she naps on me in her little carrier because she starts immediately fussing when I put her down. At least right now she does. And so, I shouldn't say fussing, she just full on screams. So right now my to-dos are very humble. They are as simple as, you know, washing my face, having a shower, brushing my teeth. I'm not even wearing makeup right now. Good thing you can only see my hands. But yes, so my to-dos are very, very simple. But to be honest, I need to write them down and I need to check them off because it is an accomplishment in itself, and this stage of life will pass and I will probably look back on this spread and laugh that my to-dos consisted of showering, brushing my teeth, going to the washroom, having prenatals, things like that, and eating 3 square meals a day. It seems like I snack endlessly and I don't actually get time to make healthy meals. By the way, speaking of healthy meals, have any of you tried HelloFresh? I'm gonna move this, redo it because it's super crooked, but I am super interested in ordering HelloFresh for I think you can do it 3 times a week, so for 3 meals for 2 people. And I am super curious. I would get the regular one, but we don't eat certain meats like pork and shellfish, so I would probably just do the vegetarian one to be safe. But if you guys have ever ordered HelloFresh, please leave a comment down below. Let me know, how your experience has been with it, and if you would recommend just going and getting the regular meal plan or just the vegetarian is the better option, especially if I don't eat those 2 things. But anyways, I'm just very curious because anything to do or anything to make my life easier right now, I am such a fan of. So yes, I also am hoping once I get into a little bit more of a routine that I can start picking up the pace with my videos. Right now I can only promise 1 plan with me video a week, but I hope to soon be able to do haul videos again, and maybe even some mommy videos, like things I'm finding that are necessities or things that I'm finding are helping my life be a little bit easier since being a mom. For instance, I just got a new Fitbit, and so I was wondering if you guys would be interested in kind of a setup and a review of that product. So leave comments down below. Like I said, I'm lonely, so your comments are much appreciated, and I will be getting back to you because, yeah, I'm just desperate. No. I shouldn't say that. Mommy life is good, but it definitely takes a little bit of adjustment too, especially when you have been a teacher and you're constantly talking to other people. It's definitely a huge adjustment. So right here I am putting down stickers to record my meals because right now I'm having a really hard time being creative, finding quick, 10-minute meals to make that are healthy-ish, that I can do while she's napping, and then basically scarf down as well. For the today section, I'm going to be placing some appointment stickers, but I'm going to place these today headers and get right back to you. I've grabbed this oh so cute runner from the Tiny Mambi sticker collection, and I'm placing it here at the very bottom just to remind me that I do need to record my steps over there. Then I'm going to go back and put this weekend banner. This is from the kit, and I am going to do my best to place it right in the center. I'm not always the best at this, but I will try, and if it's crooked, it's crooked. It's actually not too bad. I'm also going to add this Chillin' sticker from the same Mambi sticker book, and then these gold foil stars. They are from the same sticker pack that the gold arrow came from that I used on the other page, and Olivia's waking up, so I will be right back. Okay, on Monday morning, we have a doctor's appointment. Both Olivia and I are going to get our checkups. She will have her 1-month checkup, even though she will be 6 weeks old, and I will go in for my 6-week appointment at the same time. I'm super excited because I've given myself a really graceful 6-week period, but after these 6 weeks, I do hope to do a lot more walking around and light exercise. By Wednesday, our Keurig coffee order should be being delivered. So I'm going to place this half box, and then I'm going to use this coffee maker sticker by the Planner Junkie. And then above that, I'm going to place this credit card sticker from the Glam Planner sticker sheet that I showed you. Although now that I'm looking at it, I kind of want a label underneath. So I'm going to lift it up and place one of the labels from the kit underneath, and then I'll be able to write which bills I need to pay. Most of them are automatically debited out of my account, but there are still a few that I have to manually go in and pay. On Thursday, we have a relatively easy day, but on Friday is when I want to upload a second video. That's my goal, would be to upload on Fridays and on Mondays. So I'm going to go ahead and put a planner sticker on, again from Glam Planner, and then another label and a towel. And this is just a little note for me to bath Olivia. In case you're wondering, it's super dry here in Alberta, so our doctor recommended that we only wash her once a week, at least for now. Okay, that is everything for this week, and I love how it turned out. It's quite simple, but like I said, I have a simple life right now. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and bye for now!